Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn off ads personalization on your device. So friends, before we start the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the video. At first you have to move on to setting, then scroll down to privacy. Here you have to scroll down to ads, okay? And here you'll find the off out of ads personalization, okay? So if you want to set off, just click like this on this icon and it will be set off. Here it has been off from before only. It should be off. On this side is off, okay? On this side is on, okay? On the left side it should be off. On the right side it should be on, okay? Here it is off. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.